Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Is black tea good for you? Today let us see its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Yes, black tea is perfect for you as it is rich in antioxidants, flavonoids that is beneficial for heart health and reduces the risk of heart diseases. It is the most consumed beverage across the globe that contains more caffeine than other teas but less than coffee. Now let us see the benefits of drinking black tea. It is rich in antioxidant properties. Polyphenol is an antioxidant present in the beverage that decreases cell damage, reduces the risk of chronic disease and promotes overall health. It boosts heart health. Black tea is rich in flavonoid that reduces the risk of heart diseases, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, increased triglyceride and obesity. It lowers the LDL cholesterol. If there is too much LDL cholesterol in your body, there are increased chances of heart attack and stroke. On the other hand, consuming black tea every day helps in reducing LDL levels. It improves gut health. The polyphenol in black tea promotes the growth of good bacteria and reduces the growth of harmful bacteria, that is salmonella. It contains antimicrobial properties that helps in improving gut health and boosts immunity. Lastly, it reduces blood pressure. If you drink black tea regularly, as well as changing your lifestyle habits by incorporating stress management, etc., you may easily overcome high blood pressure and other significant ailments. Now let us see a special black tea recipe. Please note down the ingredients. You need black tea powder 1 teaspoon, cardamom seeds a pinch, cinnamon a pinch, water 1 cup, sugar or stevia to taste. Now let us see the method. Firstly, boil water in a pan. Add black tea powder, cardamom seeds and cinnamon. Turn off the flame. Cover with the lid and set aside for 2 to 3 minutes. Take sugar in a cup. Pour black tea into it and mix well. Enjoy the tasty black tea. Thus, I may conclude that black tea is the preferable low-calorie, no-sugar beverage with innumerable health benefits. If you still have not tried drinking black tea, include it from today in your everyday breakfast. Thank you.